Here's Tom Olson.
Hey, welcome back, everybody. My name is Tom Olson. The name of the show is Olson on Law, every Saturday at 11 right here on News Talk WDBO. By the way, Olson on Law now in his 26th year here in Orlando Marketplace, folks, and that adds up to over 1,500 radio shows and 20,000 legal questions. And, you know, a couple people have asked me recently about how did Tom Olson get started in radio. So I thought I might repeat that story for the listeners out there, and really started in 1986. I was strictly a rock and roll FM listener, and my mom was listening to a station here in Orlando, a little station called 740 WKIS. And on that station, there was a daily show called At Your Service. It was hosted by Lynn. And so I called Lynn. I said, Lynn, can I come on and be your lawyer expert to answer legal questions for people? And she said yes. She had me on, and it went really well. I was very nervous, of course. And she had me back time and time again. And after a short period of time, WKS gave me my own radio show, and they actually paid me $10 per radio show to do it. And, you know, I thought about it for the longest time and decided to call that show the Olson on Law Radio Show. And back when I began the show, initially it was all about interviewing other lawyers and some judges and just that simple. And then I had a program director after a couple years that said, Tom, you are going to go into that studio all by yourself and you are going to answer legal questions. You're not going to have any guests on the air. I was very nervous about that. I got my friends and family to call in with some planted legal questions. I remember one of them being, what's the rule of 78s? And, you know, that's how it all started. Really, just the fact that I come into the studio and answer legal questions for people just as fast as I can. That's still the way I go today, although I do occasionally interview guests. But that's how I got started in 1986, and I absolutely love doing radio. You know, if I didn't love doing radio, then it wouldn't be successful. That's how I got started, folks, and thanks for listening. I do appreciate it. You know, 26 years I've been doing this radio show, and I hope to do it for many, many, many more years for you. Hey, buddy, you know, my Olson on Law radio show now in its 26th year here in Orlando Marketplace. That adds up to over 1,500 radio shows and 20,000 legal questions that I answer for you on the air. And by the way, we Google it. Olson on Law radio show is the second oldest legal talk show in the world. 26 years been going at it, folks. Got many, many more years for you to go. I do thank you so much for all your listening. I want to thank you so much for all your great calls and questions. I do so much appreciate it. If I may, a suggestion for you: go outdoors and take pleasure in the beauty of nature. And as always, enjoy your friends and family. My name is Tom Olson. The name of the show is Olson on Law. You're listening to News Talk WDBO.